Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, still April 22nd, and we're looking at the S&P 500 ETF. Nice gap fill now, unfortunately for the bull side of things, and the news is actually fairly interesting. So stocks are falling on renewed concerns about Greek debt. So that's part of this, but also home sales rise more than expected. Just looking at Yahoo Finance here, and unemployment claims fell. So with that mix of data, it's not unsurprising to see almost a perfect doji being plotted so far today on a higher time frame. And back to a 15-minute chart, if you scrunch this up, that's a significant test now of our beautiful unfilled gap. So it's definitely filled now, running through it, even a good close test of our 119 mark. Like I said, on a higher time frame and outlook, I see nothing more than equal highs here and higher lows, which is an ascending triangle into this gap from this morning. So this is now an interesting area to be watching, and it's also almost exactly the 120 mark. So nothing is too outside of the realm of what's normal, quote unquote, for the market, and I actually like seeing that. So next logical resistance, complete gap fill near the 120.50 mark. This symmetrical triangle breakdown at this line right here, which is 120.70-75 area, and then of course the highs through here pass around number 121. So again, nice area of resistance there to broken resistance, etc., etc. So there's a lot of good information to take apart on the way up. Support-wise, we have this swing low, the 119 mark, and of course the lows of 118.50 looking like support. So nice to have our round numbers and half-round numbers intact still. Great to draw those out and see how they fit through time, and that's excellent. Let's take a look at the trend together. Steadily rising. Maybe a smaller time frame would be a little bit better. There we go. So today actually has been, quote unquote, a bearish day almost in its entirety, and rising up into almost a perfect gap fill from a pretty good size mark at 180, but definitely 1.5 is nothing to sneeze at. That's good bearish action. Trend Q rising steadily as well. Not quite in the classic bear zone, but we are in a neutral area here for sure, and that kind of makes sense with the way the news is being digested and the doji we're seeing. The VIX, like I said before, a good tiebreaker, has actually been dropping and is now consolidating, matching nicely with the trend Q. So it looks like the trend is the one who's also starting to consolidate here, even though he's a little bit higher. Not much of a divergence in the consolidation fashion, just by number. So good stuff, that's what I see. Hope you guys have a great rest of the trading day and that you can use some of this information for your good. And look forward to D7's video at the close. Talk to you soon, everybody.